Hello friends, welcome to Rhyme Time. My friend dear, my friend dear, very dear to me, you are a you that clear to me. My friend dear, very dear to me, you are a you that clear to me. My friend dear, very high and tall, you are in a queue, very low and small. My friend dear, very quick and fast, you are in a race, very slow and last. My friend dear, very cute and pretty, you are in a mirror, very ugly and dirty. My friend dear, very dear to me, you are a you that clear to me. Dear and dear are homophones. You and you are also homophones.